Forgive me, Father, for I have sinned. Like newborn babies that long for the pure of milk, oh, how long I've wanted to feast on the flesh of Christ, to drink of his blood, to finally become saved under the eyes of our Lord. But in this dry and weary land, where there is no water, my soul, it thirsts. My flesh, it yearns. And as the sands of the desert pierce my skin and drives a hunger deep inside me, I realize that the flesh sets its desire against the spirit, and the spirit against the flesh. I have crucified the flesh with its passions and desires, for its sins are evident. Give me today my daily bread, and forgive me, Father, for I will feed again.